Hello, my fellow Aldi addict, it's Jackie. It's another Sunday, which means another week of groceries. I'm gonna get in the store, but this week I am planning most of my meals off of pantry and freezer stuff. And if you stick around every week, you know I like to do this regularly so that I don't waste a lot of food, to save money, and just in general, our plan changes week to week on occasion, and I end up with food in my pantry that I just need to use up because I have too much. And especially with doing keto and my family not doing keto, I just have too much food. I just stocked up too much. So I have a lot of food to get through. So my list is short. I'm also looking for melting snowmen that look like they'd make adorable gifts for my kids' specials teachers, principal, admin, and I'm hoping my Aldi has them in stock because they didn't have them on the admin day. So let's get inside and see if they got it. And then I'll share with you the meal plan at the end. Italian bread for spaghetti night this week for my family. It used to be $2.65, now it's $2.89. I'm getting 2 loaves of white bread. We're having grilled cheese this week, well, my family is, and Nutella sandwiches for my daughter's lunches, 85 cents. 69 cents for cilantro for tostadas, $2.19 for my daughter's lunches for mini cucumbers, and I'm getting broccoli at $1.99 a pound. I'm making a vegetable tray for a 6th grade potluck. Baby carrots for the veggie tray, 79 cents. $2.51 for a gallon of white milk. Grape tomatoes, $2.39 each for the tray. This also is a price increase. And then I'm just getting a roll of tomato for my BLT wraps that I'm having this week. $1.29 a pound. $1.19 for black olives for tostadas and my tacos. And garlic stuffed olives for my daughter's lunches for $2.99. $2.69 for 40 ounces of peanut butter for no-bake cookies. Bottle of ranch dressing for the kids to dip vegetables in on the vegetable tray, $1.19. Used to be 89 cents. Wow. $1.49 for s'mores toaster tarts. And I'm getting quick oats to make no-bake cookies for $2.45. Again, this is for the 6th grade potluck for my daughter. Since she's vegetarian, I always make sure I make things that show. I think these are super cute, but I'm a plant killer. $6.99. I love the pots. Lots of plants today. This seems like a great value if you're hosting holiday get-together. $6.99 for cutlery, cute plates, the pumpkin cooking dishes for casseroles. I think this seems like a great value. I have these from Amazon, but they were not $4.99. Lots of dividers. I still kind of want that. Broom, mop, rolling carts. These are cute. I'm not getting anything, but I love clearance. Getting 3 boxes of tissues because we're running low, 99 cents a piece. Gallon storage bags. The 40 count, $2.09. I'm gonna get my donut store blend, $2.95. $1.15 for 2 chicken broths for chicken noodle soup my husband's making tonight. Corn syrup for holiday baking. We used the last of ours making blood for Halloween. My kids love this stuff and they're gonna have it with grilled cheese. They asked for it, 89 cents. This is an addition on a separate night to the homemade chicken noodle soup. I'm getting 6 of these original flavor, or no flavor, waters, 57 cents a piece. No joke, it makes me so happy every year when the Christmas baking candy aisle comes out, and it's here, you guys. There's so much Christmas candy goodies here. Yay. I don't see the melting snowmen, and that makes me so sad. I think both these sound really good. $3.65 for flavored coffees. Cookies. I'm very tempted to buy this stuff, but as I'm doing keto and I keep buying junk, my husband told me not to come home with any other junk because I'm not eating it, and he is. We still have lots of toy advent calendars left. These are here still too. Stir fry veggies when I make an Asian noodle for the family. $1.59. Got a bag of Brussels sprouts for myself for keto sides. Like one of my daughter's favorite foods from Aldi are these hash brown patties, so I'm getting them for the waffle dinner, $3.29. My husband really liked this last week, so I'm getting it again for tostadas. The fresh medium salsa, $2.25. It's holiday season when you see pumpkin pies. I've heard really good things about sweet potato pie casserole, but I do not like sweet potatoes. Normal pizzas we've been seeing. Pierogies and panadas. The biscuits that I still have to make for my family. Curly fries that we love. Okay, I do think I'm gonna have to get these seasoned herb fries. These look really good. $1.99. And then we have ham, duck, and turkey. Here is my cart for the week. Any guesses on totals? Holiday baking. Surprisingly, my Aldi still has 2 of these Vista Bay calendars left, but no beer or wine. So my total was $60.60, and unfortunately that did not include melting snowmen. And I did ask the cashier if they've had them in, and she said unfortunately they got very few and they already sold out. So I totally missed out. But the only fun thing about that is that means the hunt is still on. I still get to look at them at other Aldis. We have multiple in the area. And I'm always out and about doing errands, going places for my kids. So, you know, if I see another Aldi, I'm going to stop in and look. And I kind of like the thrill of the hunt. It's fun for me. So now that you've seen my groceries, let's get to the meal plan for the week. So we're having tostadas because we had those a couple weeks ago and we have a lot of shells. I am going to have equivalently myself, I'm going to make cheese shells, where you just kind of fry up cheese and then use them as your shells, and I'm gonna have tacos with them. We're gonna have waffles and bacon, and then I'm gonna make keto waffles I found in a keto cookbook, spaghetti and green beans, sesame garlic noodles, and stir-fry vegetables. I'm gonna use the boxed chicken noodle soup that my kids love, and then grilled cheese, and we'll make them kind of fancier grilled cheese. Pretty much every dinner we'll have fruits and vegetables on the side because we always have that. Non-pizzas, those were moved from last week's meal plan. And then we're going to my in-laws, my husband's parents, for dinner for his brother's birthday. On my side, I'm gonna have Big Mac salads twice, so I will make ground beef, and then I have a sugar-free Thousand Island dressing. I'll have pickles, onions, lettuce. I'm gonna make a keto waffle mix that I found in a recipe book. Basically, it uses almond flour and eggs. And then I'm gonna make a whipped cream topping. Bacon, lettuce, tomato, avocado. I'm gonna use keto bread that I have already on hand. The cheese shell tacos, egg salad. I'm just gonna wrap it in romaine lettuce, which I already have. And then when we go to my in-laws' house, I'm gonna get a Jimmy John's unwich, which is basically one of their subs made in lettuce. And I only have 6 meals here. I basically am just going to find I have so much cheese and meat and vegetables here that I can just make something up for the other day. So this is our meal plan for the week. I mentioned making no-bake cookies for my daughter's 6th grade potluck. If you're interested in seeing how I make perfect consistency no-bake cookies every single time, you can watch this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao down and ciao.